Do a quick unboxing. I know some of you guys hate these videos, and so do I, but of this dwp849x DeWalt polisher. And I'm going to try and do this kind of quickly so that you guys can just see what's in the box when you go to buy it. Maybe you're curious, maybe you're buying one on Amazon, which was actually the best price. They had this exact same buffer at the paint store, and the buffer was $269. On Amazon it was $150. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. It comes with this nice pad, which is cool. I haven't unboxed it myself yet. It comes with a nice handle, which is, you know, if you're getting one, if you're upgrading from like a Harbor Freight Tools version of one of these, then it's kind of cool because this does have the handle that most of us hate, those round handles that are on the Harbor Freight Tools ones. Let's take a look at this. Wow, I'm really surprised. It comes with well, it comes with the Allen wrench, but I'm going to tell you what I'm surprised about in a second. It comes with the Allen wrench, the Allen bolts. And it comes with another handle, so you can run either one. Very cool. So you can run either the round handle or the side handle, which I really like the side handle myself. And that's kind of good news. But look at the size of that extension cord. That's what I was pretty wow about. The size of the short extension cord, and it's actually pretty long. Let's take a look at how long it is. Well, I have to say that's pretty impressive. That's at least a 12 foot. Let's see. It's about 9 feet long, the extension cord that comes with it, which is unlike most buffers are really short extension cords. So that's one you could actually throw over your shoulder and have go all the way to the ground and still buff, which is nice because then you don't have to worry about your cord coming unplugged as easily, and maybe you don't have to tie it off, which is always a pain. And that's one of my complaints about buffers all the time. And it's kind of cool. So I'll do a review on this here after I've used it for a little while. Let's take a look inside, see what's going on here with this thing. Comes in some handy plastic, not overkill, not a lot of overkill foam, which is good. It's got a filter on the actual motor. I think this has it has a variable speed trigger and a wow, that is cool. That is really handy. Worth the money, I'm sure. That is really well set up. So it comes with both handles. You get the buffer, long extension cord, a variable speed with the indicator on it, and also the trigger itself is variable speed, so it has a rheostat on it. So as long as it lasts, the trigger lasts and everything else, this should be a really good investment to buy one of these buffers. And anyway, pretty nice. Saying the packaging was not overkill. It didn't have a lot of foam, no waste. So cardboard's recyclable. That's what I like to see. And this is a nice machine. I can't wait to use it. So anyway, that's what comes in the box. Talk to you in the next video.